Previously, I showed you how to set up this Reolink 36 channels NVR. Sadly, it stopped recording to the 2 hard drives installed after 3 months. When the client tried to view recorded footages, he could not. Another error he noticed was that the NVR constantly reboots itself every 5 minutes or so. That's not good. Apparently, the issue was overheating. The whole NVR gets super hot because there is absolutely no fan to cool it down. Today we'll install one fan and hopefully that should resolve the issue. Since the hard drives are dead, we'll replace them too. We need to remove the top cover. In the back, there, 3 Phillips screw to release. Once done, slide the top cover off by sliding it toward the back. Remove these 2 SATA cables, one for power and the other is for data. To fully remove the hard drives, we have to release the screws underneath the NVR. When you open the box, you'll get this fan. Use the small adapter cable. This will convert the 3 wire connections to 2 wire connections. Then we'll plug it into the motherboard. We'll plug it into this white spot right there. Be careful of the orientation of the fan when you mount it into these slots. Here you can see that the 2 holes have been made already. We're going to screw them into the slots. We have to make sure that whether the fan is blowing out or in. In this case, we want to blow it out. Here we go. I converted the default 3 wire to 2 wire connection, then plugged it into the white slot right there. We're going to mount it with the words facing outwards because on the arrow you can see that the arrow is pointing this way, meaning that the airflow will go out this way. These screws are all provided in the package, so I just used 2 screws and that's good enough. It's very interesting that Reolink made the holes and clearly have the power connections for it, but for some reason the fan is absent. I thought I was unlucky, but apparently others have the exact same problem. The drives also died from overheating. Before we close everything back up, here are the 2 screws holding the fan in position. The arrow is pointing this way. If you don't see the arrow, just look at the words. The wordings are facing outside. On this side, the wire is bent like that to be connected into that white slot right there. There's only 1 white spot left. It would be nice to install 2 fans to increase airflow, but there's only 1 slot available for power, and I am too lazy to splice in. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.